Broad Reels.
For today's mural painting, nire-represent po namin ang Barangay San Roque.
Barangay San Roque. So, anong title ng ng art niyo?
Actually, yung art namin today, pinapakita namin yung transformation ng Magalang from a simple town into a progressive one. So kung makikita nyo po, banda doon we have some agricultural part, tapos dito yung mga professional. So di ba dati, very simple lang naman yung town natin, very agricultural yung dating. Pero ngayon, pinapakita namin yung a combination ng progress, and at the same time, we're not sacrificing the agricultural sector of our town. Ayan.
So, ano pong advice nyo po sa mga artists like you po?
Tips, wag matakot magkamali. Kasi, pag hindi ka nagkamali, hindi ka matututo. And, you can always try naman kapag nagkamali ka. And, invest sa concept. Kasi kahit gaano